Alright, brothers and sisters, since my previous video where I shared with you Apex coin went up 5x, and I do believe it's still gonna go higher, which we're gonna talk about in today's video. I'm gonna share with you as well more coins just like Apex in today's video. We're gonna be talking as well about the market, and we got some crazy pumps that we must address happening today, especially on meme coins as well. So with no further ado, let's get into today's video. And as usual, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This show is not financial advice. This show is for entertainment, some education, and hopefully finding God. So as we've seen recently, Bitcoin now is at $120,000, believe it or not, after everybody and their dog thought that Bitcoin is going down at this lowest point here. And what we've seen is some sort of a double bottom, and Bitcoin is recovering. Even Ethereum has seen a major recovery, a V-shaped recovery, now back towards 4,500. And we have this downtrend now going on Ethereum. It looks like it wants to break it. Now keep in mind, Ethereum is still above this 4,000 level, which was holding us back for a long time, and we are looking at making a new all-time high on Ethereum. And as you all know, when Ethereum makes a new all-time high, that is very bullish for altcoins, and especially meme coins that are native to Ethereum. And for now, Ethereum is still below its all-time high, and I do believe we are getting closer to that moment. As we just seen now, September is over, and we have more rate cuts coming in on October this month. And so far, October is starting very bullish with a strong Bitcoin. Now, even on Bitcoin, if we look at this fixed range tool here, we see that Bitcoin closed a very strong daily candle right above this value area high, and we're looking like today is a continuation day for Bitcoin to continue towards a new all-time high, which is very bullish. It goes without saying for altcoins and meme coins. We have the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs still very large, and yesterday we had $300 million inflows on Ethereum. So institutions are still very bullish. The big boys are still very bullish. The market looks like it's once higher, and it is looking very strong for altcoins for the rest of the year. So let's talk about our favorite altcoins. Now, you all seen on my previous video, as well as I shared with you very early, Apex on my Discord, link in the description. It is completely free to join. And when I shared out to my Discord, we got a much lower entry at around 0.60, 0.70, as well as on YouTube it was around 0.70, 0.80 on YouTube. The thing is, as soon as I shared it on YouTube, it went parabolic. Now, the reason why it went parabolic is because Bybit finally decided to tweet about it, and the CEO of Bybit as well decided to tweet about it, and it went parabolic. Now it's retracing. So what's going on here is this is still a very bullish coin, and it is related to Aster, which we're going to talk about. Now we have a new narrative called the DEX, perpetual DEX trading platforms, which are seeing a lot of hype, and it started with Hyperliquid coin, and now we're seeing this play out very strongly. So I do believe these coins are going to be very strong here, and Apex is one of the lowest coins so far I could find on this narrative. And for the people that missed the pump here, it does look like we have a support forming right now at around this level here. So it's around 139.15 or 140. So we had a strong bounce from there on the daily, but we got rejected from 190. So just for those wondering why I have these levels here. So when you always want to find some good levels on the chart, you can use this on TradingView, fixed range tool. You also have it on most of the trading platforms and all that, and pretty much this gives you very good support resistance levels. And you can see that we bounced right off the lower range of this fixed range tool, which really to the dot we bounced off this first level here at 125, and then 139 is a point of control. So that's what held us here, and seeing a bounce. If we go back to the daily here, we can clearly see this was the level that provided us with massive support here, and we've seen the price bounce back up. And if we take the fixed range tool right around this high here, we can see that the point of control stays exactly where it is, but the value area is changed, and it is right around here where we got rejected, which is very crazy, 2.47, or let's say close to 250 cents. And so those are the levels for now for Apex. And let's bring back this, and we have one low level at 0.62, which I don't think we're ever gonna get there, or we are not getting there anytime close, because there are a lot of people sidelined to this coin here, as well as a lot of people sidelined on Aster. And the thing is, I don't think 0.60 is coming. This was the point where we broke out after the announcement by Bybit and all that. So for now, the level that is holding is 139.15. It could just range around here before we see a major breakout. For now, we're seeing Bitcoin rallying, which is taking the lead. Bitcoin dominance is going up, and it makes sense because Bitcoin is pumping, and when Bitcoin is pumping, it does take the lead. But when Bitcoin is pumping, usually Ethereum follows, and Bitcoin is taking the lead for now. So pretty much that's my view here on Apex, especially for the people that missed it. Don't forget to join my Discord if you don't want to miss on pumps like this. As well, subscribe to my YouTube, because this was also given very early on YouTube, and I do believe it's still pretty early in terms of we still can see it range here, maybe give some more dips, and then we see it rally higher, as now most of the people that could have bought this one bought it already, and the market is kind of stagnating now. So if we look at Aster, which is now, in my opinion, leading this narrative on the short term here, and we've seen it as well forming a floor. Now, most importantly, when I want to chart these coins, I like to look at the future contracts, the future charts. So usually you add a .p, and I look at Binance, and we can see it rejecting from this point of control. So if we look at this chart from this point here to this point, you can see clearly we have a point of control where we're rejecting now on Aster, and we have this level here that I talked about, which is around 174, and this could be a major support, 153, and this is what I would be looking into, really adding spots. I do believe this would be a big coin this cycle, as probably the next BNB coin. Now when it comes to BNB, we're seeing something crazy happen, and we're seeing meme coins on BNB go parabolic, like priceless. Now, I'm not buying priceless now here or getting into it at all. This is just as an example, and it's already had its run. Maybe if we do get a retrace or something like that, but just the point here. So back in the time, BNB was like Solana today, BNB meme coins, and everybody was trading on BNB. And recently we've seen that CZ mentioned on Spaces that he is legally unable to push centralized exchanges anymore, like Binance. That's why now he is behind Aster, and he really is driven towards pushing the decentralized side of his business, which is BNB or BNB blockchain, and bringing more adoption to BNB blockchain. So that's why we're seeing meme coins rally crazy right now on BNB, and we're seeing priceless just recently rallied. We have even another meme coin here on BNB that went from 1 million to 170 million. So this is over 170 times, and that is crazy. So what this does is it creates a FOMO. It creates FOMO towards meme coins. So it is very clear that a meme coin super season is coming, and meme coins are not dead just yet, and meme coins are still here, and meme coins may come back and come back even stronger, because what we can see today is that a lot of people missed on Aster, a lot of people missed on Apex, even though it's still at support, a lot of people missed on Hyper, on Pump, a lot of people missed on almost every recent coin that pumped, and especially meme coins as well, that everybody just recently was very bearish on, and everybody was thinking meme coins are done and over with. Well, we're just seeing them come back and come back strong now on BNB with these recent pumps, which tells me that meme coins are gonna come back and come back strong. Now, you know, I'm very big on Breton ETH as well as Dorky, which are low market cap coins on Ethereum, which I do believe Ethereum season is coming, and meme coins on Ethereum have not seen yet any big run since 2023, since Pepe basically. Since Pepe rallied, we haven't seen really major runs. So that's a major shift happening right now, which is BNB memes are going parabolic. I'm still looking for meme coins as well on BNB, as well as looking for DEX plays like Aster, like Apex. Don't forget to join my Discord, link in the description. It's free to join if you want to get in early. And for meme coins now, we're seeing Pepe still around 4 billion, not doing much. And if we look at Toshi, it's still going on this slow uptrend, probably one of the only few strong altcoins on the base chain right now, or meme coins on the base chain. For some reason, base chain is just cannot catch a real hype season yet. Same thing as Ethereum. And Still, meme coins are just slowly grinding, trying to climb back up. But I do believe, as I said, we're just seeing now the beginning. This is how it started back in 2023, and I remember it. And back in 2021, it usually starts with FOMO, with missing out, with people missing out on rallies, which are happening now, which is very big. So I'm gonna make a dedicated video for top meme coins. As to when it comes to the fear and greed, which I told you now, which I believe is one of the best ways to track the market right now. It's because it's been so accurate to tell us tops and to tell us bottoms. And now it's at 57, still at neutral. Recently we had it in fear. And it's still not yet telling us there is a lot of FOMO in the market, even though we're just seeing a lot of pumps happen. A few pumps, not a lot of pumps, but a few pumps, and 170x on a coin like a meme coin on BNB. And we still have not seen major FOMO, which I believe it's coming. And usually this marks local tops when we have extreme greed, which we haven't seen since November of 2024. So it's been a long time now. It's October. It seems like we might have put in the low on the fear index here back in September, which is believed to be a bearish month. And now heading into October, we are already looking into neutral and going towards greed slowly. And I do believe this will lead us towards a major alt season that we've been waiting for, like 2021, like a big one, not like the one we've seen in 2023 or 2024, especially that we have more rate cuts coming and the markets is looking much better than it did in 2023 or 2024. And it does look like we're heading towards it now from October, November, December. We might even extend till February of 2026, but I do believe now we are now putting in the lows on most of the altcoins before they start really pushing higher. And before we end the video, we want to look at the Bitcoin dominance, which is still climbing back up. We have not seen really the major impact on the Bitcoin dominance that usually causes the alt season when it actually really starts going down. And usually when it's at its lowest point, this is when we start taking profits on altcoins, and this is usually when it ends. So for the people still wondering if the alt season is coming, everything is telling me that it is coming. Anyways, guys, hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.